Create your own custom pop-up card with a clever inside pop-up hinges die set. The two short dies grouped together in the inside pop-up hinges die only have one dashed line on each. They can help turn almost any shape into a pop-up. The double-hearted die from the Hugging Hands die set, for example. Adhere the two hinges to the folded heart on the inside, then leave the tabs out to adhere them to the inside of your card. You do have options from along the fold to close the edges. This will make you rethink all the shape dies you already have. This set opens a whole world of pop-up designs with hinges in 5 sizes for all of the elements you want to add to the inside of your cards. We highly recommend making a reference card for your designs. To make a reference card, first cut out each die from 2 pieces of cardstock in contrasting colors. Each hinge die can be mounted in 2 directions for different depth and height. We added 1 dash line and 2 dash lines on the die to help you identify the tabs. Once cut out, no matter where number 1 or number 2 tab is, fold back all the dashed lines. Nina is marking the fold closest to the number 1 tab with a Sharpie so it's easy to see in the video. Depending on whether you adhere the number 1 tab to the front of your card or to the back of your card, you will create hinges for the pop-ups at different depths and heights. We are going to add all the hinges in green with the number 1 tab facing up, and all the hinges in teal with the number 1 tab facing down. Keep all the hinges folded at the middle lines to adhere the number 2 tabs. We call them the middle lines, but they are just the second dashed lines when counting from either end of the strip. And now we have a quick guide to help us with the pop-up layouts. You can make almost any element pop with these hinge dies. There are 3 other videos to show what's included in the inside pop-up bundle. You can find the links in the video description below.